What is up, people of the extranet? In case you've wondered where I've been, this video is going to kind of explain it, so let's go. So this is obviously a non-automotive project, but it kind of goes in correlation with the channel, and I'll kind of show you what I'm doing. So I'm actually in my garage. That's garage space over there. There's going to be a door right here. I'm building an office. Now you can see that the wall's a little boogered up right there. I've got to fix that. This is actually just paneling. I have done the paneling and turned it sideways to kind of give it a shiplap look. Then I'm going to paint over this, and it's going to be just a solid white. And that cornering there will be solid white also. Then I'm going to have to, of course, I've got several more nails to tack in and kind of bridge that gap and fill it in as we go on. So that's been my project of the week. I've got a little window in here. This room is approximately, I'll show you the other way. It's full of junk, you'll have to forgive it. It's approximately 11 feet long and about 8 feet wide. So this is going to be a little office, and this will go in correlation with the channel because it'll kind of be a little podcast area once I get it finished. So the plans for the future of this room, and I'll kind of got to give you an update as we go on. We obviously got to get a door. This is a detached garage. So, you know, that's just garage space over there. Turn the light off so you don't see more junk like this. We're going to put down some luxury vinyl flooring once I get it all sanded down and fixed up. And, of course, this cornering, they're just 1x4s. Kind of in at an angle. They're actually at a 90-degree angle, but they're screwed in, and they're screwed into the studs on each side. And that, because you do get, when you do paneling, a nasty kind of gap looking cut you can kind of see there. Some people take caulk and fill this in, and some people also take like little strips that go right here and fill that in. Now, if you're wondering, funny story. So you can see on this end, the paneling lines up nicely. The slats and the fake wood here line up all the way down to the floor. If you come in on this side, well, some of them line up. That's because I technically put this piece of paneling on upside down. The only problem, which I have plenty of material to fix this, but I'm just too lazy for the most part, is I've already cut out the slot for the window, at least the bottom part here. So yeah, that's probably not going to get fixed. That's probably just going to be like that. I might make it correct up top, but then again, you know, a little bit of difference isn't going to hurt anybody. So we'll have a door here, right about where that fan's hanging, right where the frame is. And then we're going to plywood that off, then put paneling over it. And then this same paneling is going to be all the way around. Luxury vinyl flooring will go all throughout once we get all this junk out of here. We've already got the existing outlets, and I'll talk about that here in a second. And then for the ceiling, I don't really know yet. It's kind of an OSB wood right now, which, I mean, it's not terrible, but, you know, I mean, if you're going to have luxury vinyl and you're going to have white shiplap looking walls, do you really want that as a ceiling? Not really. So I think I'm just going to do a drop ceiling in here and probably like paint it black or something. And then like get some neat looking recessed lights that'll go probably diagonal, about 3 or 4 of them, or maybe one on each corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That'd probably be the better solution. So essentially this was an empty garage, or well, it definitely wasn't empty, but it was just a one walk-through garage. As you can see, sorry about the light, it's low, but I framed up a wall and put it here. Sturdy for the most part. And so that's where we're at now. I'll give you some updates on this as we go along. Still got a lot of work to do. And that gap right there is ugly. I'm going to have to fix that. Nothing that a few nails won't fix. Make that look a little better right there. And then we'll put some caulk. And then we're going to paint all of this. Actually, like I said, it's going to be just solid white. And give it kind of a shiplap look. So that's what I've been doing. So be patient. More car videos are coming soon. Appreciate it if you subscribe and hit this channel up. Ring the little bell for notifications. And we'll catch you in the next one.